For many of us, severe weather is an unfortunate fact of life during the summer, and that can lead to water damage in our homes. It could be flooding from sudden summer storms, but for me, here along the Gulf Coast, hurricanes are the big concern. Now, whether the issue is rising water or a leaky roof caused by high winds, the problem is this. When the time comes to evacuate your home, you can only take so much with you, so how do you protect the stuff you have to leave behind? Well, here are a few ideas that might help you. Now, spending just a few dollars on some of the large plastic containers can buy you a big peace of mind if you use them to store items like photos that can't get wet, but they do have a sentimental value. Seal the lid well with duct tape, and if rising waters is your concern, then move the boxes to the highest level in your home. That may even be your attic. Furniture, for example, is valuable too, but you can't move all of it up to the attic before you leave, so consider just raising it up off the floor where it is. If your home, say, gets 6 inches of flood water in it, a few 8-inch cinder blocks may provide the protection you need to save that living room suite you're so fond of. You can also protect furniture and electronics from overhead leaks by covering them with lightweight plastic. So plan ahead, have all this stuff on hand before severe weather threatens, and then do what I do. Hope and pray you don't have to use it.